There is an interesting execution order in Microsoft SQL queries. This is Sai Fandindra from SQL School. Once again, before you with an interesting and useful query execution activity. Let's get started technically, then we'll discuss more about it. Come on, let's understand practically the step-by-step query execution order. Here we go. Let's connect to a server. So I have my SQL School server with an Amazon database, an e-commerce database. And as you see on my screen, the database has few tables like customers. Let me just expand. So here you see customers, products, sales. Our requirement. Assume for example, you have some query. I'll take you to one of my queries. Here it is. Here is my query. Product wise, class wise, color wise, sales and customers. Our requirement to understand the query execution order for this particular item. Remember, always from is executed first. Then next step, join will be executed. Inner join, outer join, cross join, whatever it is. The join will be executed next. Then where condition filter, where will be executed next. What is that again? From, join, where. Fourth, we have group by. The group by will be executed at the fourth place. To identify unique combination of column values and perform aggregations. Then having will be executed to apply conditions on aggregations. Then control goes back to select to compute the column aliases, to identify the column order, and finally order by will be executed. So inside order by, we can use column alias now because a column alias is generated in select. It can be used in order by. So remember, order by is executed at the last. I repeat, from, then join, then where, then group by, having, finally select and order by. Rule number 1, the table aliases can be used anywhere in the query, and rule number 2, column aliases should be used only in order by. Column aliases are generated in select and used in order by. The column ordinal positions can be used only in order by. Example, number 5. Number 5, fifth column, customer count. That customer count, fifth column, that number 5 can be used here instead of count of customer key or customer count. So order by can include count of customer key, order by can include customer count, or order by can include even cardinal position number 5. For more details about these query executions or any technical clarifications, I am available at your reach. Thank you. See you in the next video. Great. Good to see that you enjoyed the video. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe, and you have free gift in the description box below. Check it out now. Thank you.